Welcome back, guys. Last time we put this dude together. Now it's time to put it into this truck. If you're new here and you haven't seen these yet, you might want to go check out and see what we've done before, just so you can kind of have an idea of what's going on right now. But basically, last time we got this engine put together, all assembled, got her all lubed up, ready to go. I just now got done pre-lubing everything with our good old tool here. Whatever, dude, to spin the oil pump. Let's get to sticking this thing in this truck. Let's do this. Okay, so before we get too far into this, I just want to let you guys know what's going on. So bam, there's our transmission, here's our engine. Those two are gonna get back together. We're gonna stick it in here, put our motor mounts in, and yeah. But before we can do all that, I need to get our flex plate on, all the clutch and everything, stick it on here, and then we can slam her in. So yeah, let's do this thing. So when you guys are putting a clutch in, I just want to show my secret little tool here. This is going to be our custom alignment tool. Since I didn't buy a brand new complete clutch package, I don't have an alignment tool. So what I do is I take a socket that fits into this doodad, yeah, whatever the hell this plate's called. It fits inside there pretty well, and then I take a socket or something that will fit inside our pilot bushing, and bam, stick her in, and then bolt her on. Alright, so we got our adapter plate in there, our flywheel, and our clutch pack. Let's go ahead and set this dude in here. I'm going to have to jack up that tranny a little bit just to get her straight, and then we'll bolt her down. She's getting there, guys. She's getting there. Alright guys, she's in. Check that out. This makes me happy. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So right now I need to go get a little stubby radiator hose for that bypass dude for the water pump. We got to figure out our exhaust manifolds or headers or whatever we're gonna do. Everything else looks like it's fitting really good. Our distributor's in there, clearing. I set the manifold in on this side and it looks like it clears the steering box pretty good, so we're good there. I gotta go get us an oil pressure sensor and a water temp sensor, and that's all we really need for those. But yeah, just a couple more things and she'll be sitting good. Yeah, I put too much oil in it, so I'm gonna have to drain some of it out. And then what else do we got? I got a list, so we'll go over that maybe. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, check that out, guys. It's in, we're looking good. Yeah, let's keep on pushing. All right, guys, so we got our list here of stuff. I went to Napa and I got our temperature sensor and oil pressure sensor, so we're gonna run that stuff real quick. And what else I got? I got a tack coming in. I'm gonna have to get a battery and get my cables, get my ignition set up. I got the oil kind of draining out. I filled it up too much, so gotta deal with that. Gotta get the dipstick set. I just adjusted the clutch so we can scratch that off, and then we got to get some belts, and I've got a fuel pump coming in from Amazon, so I just bought like a $9 cheapo fuel pump. But anyways, I think I'm gonna bolt our manifolds in there and then run this oil line. So we'll run that oil line and then we'll get our oil pressure gauge set up, and then we'll do the same thing with the temperature gauge. So sweet, let's get on that. Alright, so here's that oil pressure gauge. That'll basically be how it's going to be, and then I'm going to put our temperature gauge right next to it. And then, yeah, so I just got to do a couple more things, tighten it down, put the little holder thing in there, and then actually I'll show you guys what's up front. So up here, I'm obviously going to have to get this away from that manifold. So, I don't know, maybe get a thing to clamp her down right there, and then she'll have some room to flex with the engine there, and I'll probably be bumping into other shit too, but oh well. I'm gonna have to like run a little protective thing over on that hole, so yeah, right on. It's looking good though, guys. Okay, so now that we got the oil pressure sensor dude done, let's go ahead and get this temperature gauge knocked out. Alright, so some of you guys might be asking, why the hell did I put that wood, like this wood grain sticker on there? Well, it's because I hate chrome. I think it's like the dumbest thing on the fucking planet. Other than like original factory stuff is okay, but I just don't like aftermarket chrome. I hate it because people just chrome everything out, especially when it comes to like their engine and stuff. But anyways, got a little bit of stuff to do on that temperature sensor, but everything else is looking pretty dang good. In the next video, I think we're gonna end up doing the carburetor, air filter. Our distributor should be good. Get us timed. Spark plug, spark wire, plug wires, all that good stuff. So yeah. And with that, guys, I think we're gonna end up calling it there. Hope you're able to enjoy. If you did, leave me a like. It helps me out. Whatever. If you think someone else might enjoy it, share it with them. Subscribe. Do all that cool stuff. Comment. But yeah, so like I said, in the next video we'll do some more stuff, and then hopefully we'll get this guy fired up. I think that'd be so awesome. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna paint these or not, or just go buy some headers. We'll see. I'm just still deciding on that. But anyways, she's looking pretty good so far. Yeah. But again, like I said, hope you guys are able to enjoy, and I guess we'll catch you in the next one.